are
Zoey and Chloe. Guess what we got for you today? So much slime!
slime.
So much slime!
Slime here, slime there, slime everywhere.
So, we have slime putty that changes colors. Wow, and then we got some slime kit here that does glitter, unicorn, water bead, galaxy like space, and neon. What else we got, Chloe? We have glitter slime. And we have metallic slime. More glitter slime in different colors. And a color slime kit.
Which one should we do first? Which one should we do first?
I have an idea. Zoey, will you do the honors?
Absolutely. Do. Which one's this one?
It's a color slime kit!
Yay!
I'm ready. Are you ready? There are two colors. There is blue and there is green. Zoey, which color would you like to make?
I want to make the green one because it matches with my pants and my hair tie.
That's right. And I'll make the blue because it matches with my hair tie and my pants too. Are you ready?
I am.
Let's get started.
Okay, so we are going to be using a glass container today. But be very careful. It's very heavy and it's breakable too if it falls. So please make sure you're under adult supervision.
Zoey,
Yeah?
what's this?
This is a spoon that we are going to be using to mix the super magical liquid with the colored glue. Yay!
First, let's read the instructions. Number 1, pour out 1 5-ounce Elmer's translucent color glue into the container. You can squeeze it from the top, or if you want it to go faster, you can unscrew the lid. Number 2, add half a bottle of Elmer's magical liquid solution into the container and mix well. Then add rest of magical liquid and mix. Number 3, mix until well incorporated. You will notice the mixture becoming harder to mix and slime begins to form. Wow, Zoe, that is so cool.
I want to touch it. Can I touch it now?
I think so.
Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. It feels like slime.
Oh, it's so slimy. Look, it's all over my fingers.
Of course it's slimy, because it's slime, silly.
I have green slime all over. Here you go. Number 4, take the slime out and begin kneading with both of your hands.
Both of my hands? Sure.
Enjoy your gel-like slime.
It's really sticky. Uh-oh.
While the green slime was very fun, it was also quite sticky. So with the blue slime, we're going to try a different consistency and then compare the two slimes. Now it's my turn. Can't wait to see how mine turns out.
Wow, look at that blue. It's beautiful. It reminds me of the ocean.
Me too. There are little fish, turtles, starfishes, seahorses.
I swam with the dolphins once.
Wow!
It was fun.
Let's make sure we get all of it.
And now it's time for the magical liquid. But let's try to use less of it because I think it made it a little bit too sticky last time.
Okay. opening them. Now you got some green in there. And now I do. Chloe, can we combine them and see what happens? Okay. All right. How should we do this? Here you go. Wow. Wow. What a beautiful color. I think so too. Phew! We hope you enjoy making and playing with slime with us today. We sure had a lot of fun. We hope you did too. We'll see you next time. Bye! Hi kids! If you want to follow us on some fun, big, exciting
exciting adventures.
Make sure to subscribe down below